Okay, Miss Pridmore's class, let's finish up grade 2, mod 7, lesson 12, the problem set. So we left off on number 4. It says the notepad Elise wants costs $1. She has 4 dimes and 3 nickels. How much more money does she need to buy the notepad? Couple of things. First thing we want to do is make sure that we know that $1 costs 100 cents. Why? Because dimes and nickels are cents, so we're going to be working with cents, okay? So now what we need to do, we know we need to get to $1, but the first thing we need to do is figure out how much she has now, so we know how much more she's going to need, right? Okay, so how much are dimes worth? That's right, 10 cents. So we're going to make 4 dimes. Okay? And how much are nickels worth? Right, 5 cents, right? So we're going to make 3 nickels. Okay. Now all we have to do is count these up, right? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. So right now she has 55 cents. Okay? So now let's use Arrowway to get us from 55 cents to 100. So if you were watching my last video, I told you when we're moving from one number to another, it works easiest if we make their ones column match, right? So since we're going to 100 and there's 0 ones in 100, we want to get to a number that also has 0 ones, okay? Because that's going to be a really friendly number for us. So let's do that. 55 plus how much will give us an even 10 number? Right, plus 5. 55 plus 5 will give us 60 cents. Now we just need to add up until we get to 100. And since we're already at an even 10 number, we can do that by adding 4s, right? Or by adding 10s. And I just gave it away. We're going to need 4 10s or 40 cents to get there, right? If you didn't know that, you could start at 60 and count on by 10. So 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I added 4 10s. Are we done? Well, not quite. We need to add up everything that we put over the arrow so that we know how much more we needed from 55 to get to 100. So 40 plus 5 is 45, right? So Elise needs 45 more cents to buy the notepad. Let's take every word we can from the question. Elise. We're going to switch need to needs with an S. Here comes our answer, 45 cents. More, right here. And then to buy the notepad. I get it right from the question, so I don't spell any of the words wrong. Awesome. Okay, let's take a look at number 5. It says Dane saved 26 cents on Friday and 35 cents on Monday. How much more money will he need to save to have $1 saved, right? Okay, so again, we're getting to $1, which is 100 cents. But in order to find out how much more we need, we're going to have to figure out how much we're starting with. So we're going to take our 26 cents and add it to our 35 cents first, okay? So I'm going to use vertical addition for this. Okay, so 6 plus 5 is 11. I put 1 in the ones column, and then I'm going to add the 10 in the tens column. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So right now, Dane has 61 cents, right? How much more is he going to need to get to 100? Okay, so Miss Pridmore is going to do -1 to get this back to a friendly number, right? So right now, 61 is not a very friendly number, is it? No. But if I took 1 away, now I have 60 and I can add on much easier, right? So I know that 60 plus 40 will give me 100, right? But I need to take 1 of that 40 away, right? Why? Because I took it away from the 61, right? So since I made this less before I added on, now that I'm adding on, I need to take 1 away, okay? So 40 minus 1 is going to give me 39 cents. So 61 plus 39 will give me 100. Now what if I didn't know how to do that? Well, I could do vertical subtraction to double check my work. I can't take 1 away from 0 ones, and I can't unbundle a 10 here because I don't have any. So I'm going to unbundle 100. I'm going to bring it to the tens column. Now I need to unbundle one of those 10s and bring it to the ones column. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3. Yep, I was right, 39 cents. So then we're going to go to how much more money will he need? And we're going to switch that to he will need 39 more cents, okay? So here we go. He will need 39 more cents. And I should spell every single word right because look, they're all here. He, the only thing that will need, we had to fill in 39 because we did that math, 39 and then more cents, right? So we got every word from our problem. Okay, Miss Pridmore's class, today what you're going to do is solve number 6 by yourself, and then you're going to complete your Google Doc for an exit ticket. All right, good job everybody.